So I'm a little out of breath because we just been moving in this house. But just want to show you a quick tour while it's empty, so we can just see before and after once I kind of spruce up this space. So you walk in, this is the staircase, and we really loved how tall ceilings were when we first saw the house. But when you walk in though, to my left will be, I guess it's the formal living area, but we're going to turn this room into our daughter Jess's learning center. She is nonverbal autistic and she does ABA therapy at home for now, and they like to come, have like a space for her to work with her. So we're going to make this into her learning area, but it's really still going to be like a formal living room, but it would just be this will be the designated area, if that makes sense. Okay, so to my right, this is the dining room. We are going to change out this light fixture right here. Okay, we are going to change out a lot of this. I am going to have the painters come in and paint everything over. I don't like this colors, but that's going to change out. But this is the dining room, and we just have our table that came in today, so they're going to set that up tomorrow. But this is the dining room, and I'm just going to go through here for now. And through here, we'll take you to the family room and the kitchen. So let me stick to the kitchen. So we still have boxes as my husband and I are just unloading everything. So we really love this kitchen. It's very open, very spacious. My husband always wanted a stove that's on the island, so he wanted that one. I was totally against it, but it's cool. I like it. Of course, the double ovens, which is an absolute must-have because I like to cook holiday meals, and that helps me a ton. And of course, you see how the sink is facing the backyard, and I really love how I can watch the backyard from the sink while I'm washing dishes or cooking. I can check on the girls if they're playing outside. So, and then of course it's the breakfast nook, and our dining table will be right here. Now they do have, I guess, like this office spot, or I don't know what you call it, but basically like a little mail clerk section. For now, I'm going to use this for work until I really get my office set up. But I do want to change this more into like a coffee station, if anything. But right now, I'm gonna have to work from here until my office is done. And this is the great room, and we fell in love with the great room. It has massive ceilings, and the windows are beautiful. We have it down now for privacy, but when we have the blinds up, it's beautiful. It shows a view of the backyard, a lot of trees, and we love that view. And the fireplace, I love the fireplace. It's a gas fireplace, and it's really clean, and it's slick. I mean, I don't know about too much. I love this large mantle, great for Christmas, so I can't wait to decorate the holidays with it. And it's where we're gonna put our TV center. And I like how it has the catwalk, and you can look down on the living room. If the kids want to see where I'm at from the living room, they can look down, which is great. They do have a ceiling fan. I'm not sure if I'm going to change that out or I'm gonna put a chandelier there too, but for now that's there. And this wall's gonna get painted. I want different colors. We're gonna paint a whole ton in this house. I love how I have these nooks or niches, I think they call it, in this space. It gives the house a lot of character. So I love that. House character. Walking in here is my office, and love how it already has the French doors. That was a must-have for me in an office space. I am going to change the hardware out to black or brass. But yeah, this is my office space. I'm going to take my time styling it. But yeah, I have my own little study, which is great. I work from home, so it's a must have for me. In our previous place, I worked in my room and it was a big distraction. So this office space definitely gave me a lot of privacy from my children. And down here, just a powder room. Nice spot, nice size. We're gonna change out all this. I can't, so all this is gonna be changed out. I like the mirror. I may just paint the edges of the mirror because it's simple. I don't want it too over the top, but the other stuff gotta go. So, but yeah, this is the powder room. And then next to it is just another closet, of course. And then you come back towards the foyer and go upstairs. Okay, so we're going upstairs. And I like how stairs have two-way. So I can come in from the kitchen and I can come from the front door. So, like I said, the stairways has a catwalk where we can look down below and check everything out, which I love. Okay, so I'm gonna start with just a random closet, linen closet here. Now this room will be my daughter Jazzy's room. My Jazzy is 7 years old. This will be her little room, little space, and just good enough for her. And okay, now it has her little hooks and stuff, or jackets, which is adorable. I love it. And then this will be the girls' bathroom. So I have 3 girls and they will share this bathroom. I do plan on painting in here as well, maybe like a lighter gray for the girls. And then of course I plan on changing out this whole thing too. A lot of the cabinetry is kind of old. Mine's brown. So I am going to either paint or change, either one. And this room will be my oldest daughter room, Cameron. She's 16. So she picked this room for herself. And this is gonna be her room. And we'll get everything set up tomorrow. We're gonna paint in here as well. And yeah, this is gonna be her room. Good enough for her too. And then coming towards our bedroom, our 3-year-old, our baby, Justice, she will be in here. We want her closer to us, of course. So this will be her room. This is the first time having their own room, so I'm pretty excited about it. They may not be, but I'm pretty excited. My 2 youngest daughters are autistic, and they are very attached to each other and attached to me as well. So, but hopefully this new change will fix that, and they'll get used to it eventually. I'm sure they will. But this will be Justice's room. And then, like I said, this house has a lot of niches or nooks throughout the house. I love it. Can't wait to decorate it. Love it. And you have some storage down here, which I absolutely love. I can put my candles down here. I like to buy a lot of candles, so that's great and that's helpful. Okay. So now we don't know why the master bedroom light is not working. So yeah, my husband tried to fix it earlier and it just wasn't going on. So it's a little dark in here, so I do apologize. But this is the master, and I love how it has the crown molding around here. Lots of windows, and during the daytime the light is really bright in here, which we love. And then here's the master bathroom ensuite. We are most definitely renovating this bathroom. It's getting a whole facelift. I told my husband I'm doing it all over, to the floors, to the mirrors, to everything. Not right now, but it is going to be done soon, especially after the holidays. I gotta get this whole bathroom done. But we fell in love with it. It's very spacious. I love how it has like a step. It has a spa tub with jets. We love that. We have our his and hers closet. I am going to get custom closets in here. So this will be mine, and of course it will be my husband's. Real excited about it. You know, it's a lot of space, and of course this is where the toilet will be and the shower, but it's very spacious. It will do for now. But yeah, our bathroom is one of our favorites. We were like so blown away. We came in here like, oh my God, this bathroom is beautiful. And like I said, the windows are down, the shades are down, but once it's up, like the light just, it's so much light in here. It's so beautiful. And we fell in love with it. So let me take you back out to the basement. We have a basement. So, all right, downstairs is the basement. Oh, I forgot to show you in here the mud room. So when you come in through the garage, it's a mud room in here. Okay, so the basement is down this way. Will be my husband's man cave, and we do have a 5th bedroom down here for our sons. Our sons come and visit often, and we want to make sure they have their own room, their own space, because they're teenagers. But this is going to be the man cave / media room, and he's pumped. He's excited. He said he already been down here for like a good 2 hours just sitting here. But yep, this is his man cave. And we want to get a bar set up here, of course. He wants a pool table. We got our theater chairs coming in tomorrow, and he's just ready to get it set up. And it has, you know, storage closets in here, of course, and it has a full bathroom, just a shower and sink and toilet, but the full bathroom in here. I do plan on, of course, revamping this up, but it is still doable. Full shower, walk-in shower. So the boys come, they have a privacy bathroom here. And then through here is our laundry room. And I love this laundry room. I do want to spruce it up a little bit. It doesn't need a little facelift, but it's still spacious. It has a nice folding table. I absolutely love it. Perfect, we need it. Great laundry room. And this will be our son's bedroom or a guest room. If any company comes in while they're not here, they will stay here. And of course, you saw the pocket door. But here it is. Very nice, very spacious. I mean, they don't consider this technically a bedroom because it doesn't have any windows, but it's really, we can make it into a nice bedroom, you know. So I don't like this green carpet at all. We talked about changing it out, but yeah, this green carpet is not a fan, but it is nice. And then the space is nice, I mean. And then here is storage, and I'm so happy it's already built in shelves so I can put my decor bins in here for the holidays. I don't have to worry about organization. It's already set up for it. So yeah, pretty nice size and nice and clean. Good enough for us. And then in here is just a closet, you know, for the room. So yeah, this is it. We are very happy about this change. It's been a long time coming, beginning, and we can't wait to see what's next. So I will be documenting the journey throughout and just see how we change this all to our style. But stay tuned for more, and I hope you have a great evening. Bye.